Hello, and thanks for joining me for this quick tutorial through Microsoft Teams, which is part of our Office 365 package with Bellingham Schools. And it's something your teachers are probably going to lean heavily on if we do any online format here in the 2020-2021 school year. So this will be good to navigate this summer, become acclimated, and learn some of the basics. And then you can get into some of the intermediate advanced stuff here in the next couple weeks with me, and then we'll let your teachers see how they use it in the future. So anyways, Microsoft Teams, how I get to it is down here in my start menu, and then I can type in Teams, and here's what it looks like. Here's the app. That's what you want to open. And you can see I have mine open down here, and I just have a red dot because I'm busy because it's linked to my email calendar, and so I have a meeting technically right now. Anyways, so that's what the red dot is, not a syncing issue. Here's all my teams, and here's ours. It looks like goggles and a swim cap or a sun for summer school. So Tech Literacy Summer, Tech Literacy Summer 2020 Greenwood. Go ahead and click on that. I hope yours looks very similar to mine. We really want to focus this week on getting used to the layout. So making sure we're familiar with the tabs and everything. And again, it's a Microsoft Office 365 package, which is the OneNote, same thing. So we can find our class notebook up here. But as far as the layout, the tabs on the top over here on the left-hand panel, that should kind of mimic OneNote because it's the same system we're using. Anyways, here's posts. I created an assignment today, so please check out these details. And then you can see I've added everybody. And if you don't have access, please let me know. And then I made a post this morning. Good morning. Make sure to check out the week's agenda. You're going to turn in an assignment using Teams. Let me know if you have any issues. So real quick, I just want to go through the rest of this. Files. This is where your teachers could host like a content library like I do in the class notebook. So some things might auto-populate to the class materials. So if you really can't find something, that's kind of almost the download folder. It really might have some stuff worth looking for if you have troubles finding it elsewhere. Or it could just be a mess of a lot of stuff. But the class notebook should be synced. Give it a little bit of time. It gives you the welcome sign, and then click on this arrow up here, and then it should have it auto sync to Tech Literacy. And then in there, you can go into the content library, access the weekly agendas, things like that. And it's just syncing right now, so it's a little slow. But the class notebook is semi-embedded into this. For faster use and everything, though, I would probably still use OneNote itself rather than having Teams open up the notebook. But another way to get there. So we are on week 4, wrapping up a week 3 assignment. So week 4 is posted, and grades will be posted here in a few minutes, updated. Last thing is assignments can be found up here. So you're turning in an assignment. So this is where you should go to submit your assignment to me. And then we'll talk about some details in the future as we do some different things with assignments in here. One downfall is I've heard from other teachers is you can't edit. I can't give you feedback on assignment and return it back to you. So that's somewhat of an issue. So we'll look at some of the pros and cons of Microsoft Teams. Thanks for watching.